This Victorian home hails from an iconic era that saw Whitley Bay emerge as one of the most popular holiday seaside destinations at the turn of the 20th century. It's now the 21st century and this home has been redesigned for modern seaside living. Welcome to Percy Road. The living room is at the front of the house and has a bay window with original Victorian shutters, in keeping with period features that have been restored throughout the property. There's a natural flow in this home as you progress through this well-designed and practical house. The spacious dining room has French doors to outside and double doors leading you down into an impressive open-plan kitchen with quartz worktops and brass fittings. The fully fitted kitchen has a range of dust glue cabinetry on this side and a kitchen island with breakfast bar and Belfast sink on the other, overlooking bifolding doors out into the garden. The private outside garden has a range of textures with a brick wall, solid wood decking and plum slate gravel. Upstairs there's the most impressively large bathroom with a freestanding bath sat in front of the window, period sink and taps and column radiator and a walk-in rainfall shower. There's 3 double bedrooms on this floor and at the front 2 of them have sea views, and onto the second floor a master suite with hexagon tiled bathroom and large bedroom. Whitley Bay is one of the most desirable places to live on the northeast coast, and this Victorian home has been fully restored throughout for modern seaside living. I'm Michael Mortimer, until next time.